Well, we survived the thrashing. A couple days of just big time winds. It's a lot calmer today. Still a little bit windy, but it's a lot calmer than it was, especially yesterday. And what can we do? We just have to take the plastic off and start all over again. I feel actually pretty fortunate because I just lost one greenhouse plastic out of the 4 greenhouses. And honestly, I messed up on this one, and I'm not surprised it failed because when I was putting it on, I chose a really windy day and I just did not get good attachment to it, and I cut the plastic a few places that I shouldn't have, and that was a couple years ago, and I've been surviving with it ever since until this last thrashing. So anyway, we just have to take it off and we start over, and I've got Taylor here helping me take it all apart, and we'll have this thing uncovered in no time, and we'll reuse this plastic for other projects, so you'll see it in some other like smaller hoops that go over our beds. We're gonna use some of this stuff, so it's not a total waste. Anyway, enough yakking, let's get cracking.